Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Kareem.
Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. I hope you all have a blessed month, inshallah.
Inshallah. It's so amazing. I can't believe Ramadan is finally here. I feel like Ramadan had just ended yesterday. Honestly, like, where is the time going? I don't know. It's flying by so quick.
Yeah, we had a quarantine Ramadan last year.
Yes.
So this Ramadan, it's feeling a little bit like, the other Ramadans we experienced here in the US.
A little bit more normal.
A little bit more normal.
Year.
We can actually go to Salah now. We can go to Taraweeh. Things are more open, so inshallah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, we are. And also, we just got back from a trip last night. We were in Tulum, Mexico, a place that we've been talking about for, I don't know, maybe like the past 4 or 5 years. We've been speaking about going to Tulum, Mexico. And I don't know why we always kept postponing it. And obviously last year we had no chance of traveling. No one could travel because of the pandemic. And this year, countries were starting to open up a bit more, especially welcoming Americans. Mexico just happened to be 2 hours away from where we live. It was a blast, guys. It was so much fun.
We probably did the most activities this trip.
Yes.
All the trips we've been to.
Yes, out of all of the countries we've visited, we loved all of them. But I feel like this country, this time, we've done the most activities. We went swimming in cenotes, we zip-lined, we ATV'd. Well, I zip-lined. Muhammad couldn't. We ATV'd twice. It was so much fun.
Nice.
Sightseeing, of course. We went to Chichen Itza, which is such a...
It's a wonder of the world.
One of the wonders of the world. It was amazing.
So much history behind it.
We ate good food. It was just so much fun. I miss it so much. I want to go back.
And that's everything without like a boat or doing water stuff, because we didn't truly do like water activities. We just did more jungle stuff. But I'm saying, like, I'm pretty sure they probably have like jet skis and like
not in Tulum.
Boats. Oh, so that's in Cancun.
Yeah, Cancun, but not Tulum.
Which is 2 hours away, by the way.
Yeah, Cancun is 2 hours away. So if you were to go to Tulum, you would land in Cancun, get a cab or get a shuttle bus, and they will take you to your hotel in Tulum. So it is a bit of it's a bit annoying because of the traveling, but then again, it was a 2-hour flight, 2-hour drive. It's still less time than going to New York or LA.
Seriously.
For us living in Florida. But anyways, we arrived last night to a very clean house, because I love to clean my home before traveling. It's a thing. But we had a very empty fridge.
Nothing. We had nothing. Well, I mean, because we ate all the fruit, so there wasn't anything.
Yeah.
We pretty much ate everything before we left.
Exactly. We ate everything, threw away like whatever was bad. So we came to a very empty fridge. And today is the first day of Ramadan, and we have nothing to prepare ourselves with. So luckily we are invited to my parents' house to break our fast with them, which we usually do anyways. His family, my family get together. So I never have to worry about mostly like the first week of Ramadan, because we're always invited to my in-laws or my family or friends. So I don't really have to worry about cooking, but I like to make food for suhoor and be prepared, like snacking throughout the night, and we have nothing. So today we have a very long day. We actually have to stop by a doctor's office to get a referral for my blood work. I'm still in the process of figuring out my infertility issues. We thought it was one thing, and then we fixed that one thing, and now it seems to be something else. So it's a very long journey, and I am trying to capture as much as I can, video as much as I can, so I can help those who are going through it as well, or for those who are going through it, not to feel alone. So it's a long journey, but anyhow, we're still blessed, and we are very content in where we are, and we know that everything is in Allah's hands. So we're doing as much as we can. And like I said, I have a referral that I need to pick up, do some more blood work, which I already hate this. I hate the day that I have to do blood work. And then after that, what do we have to do?
Man, we gotta stop at UPS to return something.
We have this big desk that we bought, but it came damaged, so now we have have to drop it off at the UPS.
Today's the last day.
Office, and today's the last day because I always leave everything for the very last day.
Yeah, and then just shop. I mean, we got a grocery shop because we don't have like a lot for sahur or for like, you know, we're trying to eat healthier. So
oh my god, guys, trying to eat healthier.
I feel like we say this every time.
We say this every month. We're trying to be healthy. We're trying to watch what we eat, and for some reason we just keep gaining more weight and more weight. But this is enough. Like honestly, we're just like,
yeah, this trip was a wake up call.
It's enough.
No, man, we gotta do better. We gotta do better.
Yeah, really. Like we're gonna work out in Ramadan. We're gonna figure it out. We need to work out, even if it's at least like 45 minutes to an hour. We need to have some sort of workout happening every single night.
Yes.
Also praying, Taraweeh.
Alhamdulillah, I'm excited for that.
You know, just getting closer to our religion is very important to us, not only in Ramadan but all year round. Yeah. So yeah.
Now we're in traffic.
Alright guys, so we're back.
Yep.
That went by very quickly.
And today was a quick one, like we didn't even expect
we just actually found that I was supposed to have a doctor's appointment today.
Yeah. And
then they called to make sure that I had my blood work done. And I was like, what are you talking about? Like, you never said I had to do blood work before seeing the doctor. And they're like, yeah, you do. So it was very last minute. Like we landed yesterday and I had that I had a voicemail from one of the nurses. So I freaked out, obviously, because I'm like, what? I wasn't prepared for this. But alhamdulillah, it's over with. It's done with. Now we're going to go to the grocery store to do some grocery shopping and go home, pray, relax for a little bit, and then go to my parents' house.
That's it. And
for Iftar.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys my family's house a little bit. They're also very private, so like that's why I don't really show much of my
Both
family.
of our families are private, so that's why we don't really show them too much.
Yeah, I wish they were more like us, but they're not. They're more like, put the camera away. I don't want to be on YouTube. I don't want to be in social media, which I completely understand because, you know, not everyone wants their business out there. But I'll show as much as I'm able to. I don't know if you can tell, but the energy's slowly like dying down.
You're good.
We woke up with so much energy.
I think it's just driving and it's hot outside more than anything.
Oh my god, it's extremely hot outside, and it's just, you know, I just
let's get going before we sleep in here.
Let's go. And snack back there, and now we're gonna get ready to send off the UPS package and go home and rest until it's time to break our fast.
4:30. You still got some time.
4:30. Okay. Okay, so we dropped off the package.
Yes.
And now we're heading home. There's so much traffic. Thank God we live like 15 minutes away, so it won't be that
it's not bad.
Oh wait, do you think maybe we should get my parents something now before we get home? I want to get them like sweets or like maybe a cake, so we don't walk in empty-handed.
Especially, we could walk in with dates and a cake.
A cake?
And a couple of milk.
Oh my god, that's so bad.
A cake is not bad.
No, I'm saying like I'm gonna eat it.
Oh
I'm
my
definitely
God,
gonna have a big chunk
bro.
of it. Maybe I should pick out a cake that I least like.
Which is what?
Like anything carrots.
So you're gonna get your parents a carrot cake?
I think they like carrots. I think they do. I don't know. I need to get something that I don't love as much, so I won't indulge in the cake, you know? we decided to go for the assorted minis. And here we have all of the best flavors: chocolate, white chocolate raspberry, red velvet, and birthday cake. So we're finally home and I laid out everything on the counter. Here we have water, alkaline water, some more water, cauliflower pizza, oranges, laziza. So we had to make a stop at the Arabi store for laziza. We usually have this every Ramadan. Non-alcoholic malt beverage. It's so amazing. Apple and peach are my favorite flavors. We have some potatoes, avocado, salad, peppers, more salad, some pita chips that we like to eat with hummus and guac. We have some banana, cucumbers, tortillas, broccoli, some more fruits, and some more water, because you can never have enough water in this house.
Stay hydrated.
Yes, you gotta stay hydrated. Okay, so we have about 20 minutes until we break our fast. We're on our way to my parents' house. So excited for my mom's food. Yes. She always goes out the first day, so indeed. I can't wait to get home and eat something.
More than that, in the month of Ramadan, when Jibreel alayhi salam used to come to him, and together they used to recite the Quran. The Quran is subhanallah, supposed to have an impact on the heart, and we're supposed to become more generous.
So we just finished eating and hanging out, and now that we're leaving, we just wanted to say Ramadan Mubarak.
Ramadan Kareem.